It's Gypsy Man, and I just want everybody to take a look at, if you're one of the people who are a road cyclist and you had a Shimano Dura Ace Tegra that needed to be replaced, you were able, because of delamination, you were able to take it to your Shimano authorized bike shop, have them inspect it. So I went and got mine inspected. They couldn't find anything, but I know it was delaminated because I can hear it cracking when you rode it. So it obviously needed to get stress tested by Shimano. So they sent it out for me. And it didn't take that long. I said it took me about a month. I wasn't worried about it because I had something I could throw on the bike to keep riding. And this is what they sent me. They sent me and they gave me a text, come and pick up your new crank. It sent me a crank. And it says that it's a FC-09 to replace the old 9000 or 9100. I had the 9100 with my specifications, 5236, 175. So let's unbox it. I'm gonna do this with one hand. I'm only gonna do this in one take. I don't edit, so let's open it up, see what's in the box. So, got some instructions. Got a new crank that it looks like they replaced my Dura Ace with a crank that looks like the new FC-9200 12-speed cranks. So I didn't know anything about this crank. I just know that it looks nice and it's supposed to be better. I hope I won't have the same delamination problem. So I looked it up, see what the difference was in the 9, because you will get an FC-09. FC-09. You will not get the 9200 12-speed for 11-speed bike. They say they specially made these for the 11 speeds and fitted the rings to fit the 11 speed. So this is the replacement that you're going to get from Shimano when you take it in for the recall. I think I'm gonna throw it on there and see how it feels. I'm sure it's gonna be good. Hope we don't have the same problem. Gypsy Man, and this is what your replacement is gonna be. Peace.